Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to run n8n locally on your computer using Node.js. If you are new here, n8n is a super powerful automation tool that helps you connect your apps like Notion, Gmail, project management tool, just to name a few, and let the data flow automatically between them. Let's hop right in. First thing we need to do is to install Node.js if you don't have it. So go to Node.js official website, choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS or Linux, and click download. Go through the installation steps. Just follow the prompts. We'll check if it's working properly. Now we will use Terminal, which is a tool on your computer that lets you type commands directly. It's like talking directly to your computer. On Windows, you can open it by searching for command prompt or terminal in the Start menu. To make sure Node.js installed correctly, type node-v. This command will show the version number of Node.js installed. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Now let's install n8n itself. Type this command in your terminal, npm install-g for global n8n. If you get a permission error, try running it with administrative rights. Sudo npm install-g n8n. You might be asked to enter your computer password. Go ahead and do that. Then wait for all the packages to finish installing. Once it's installed, let's start it up. Type n8n start and hit enter. You will see a link appear in your terminal, something like localhost 5678. Click that link or press O if your terminal suggests it. If this is your first time running n8n, you will be asked to register. Just enter your email, first name, last name, password, then click next. If you have already registered, simply log in. You'll probably see a pop-up offering free advanced features for local n8n users. This is part of n8n community license program. It gives you several paid features for free forever just by entering your email and activating local license key. Go ahead and do that. It's totally worth it. After logging in, you will arrive at the n8n dashboard, also called Editor UI. This is where you will manage all your automations. And here's what you can do inside. Create new workflows, view past workflow runs, manage credentials, use data tables, it's still in beta version, I believe, monitor performance, etc. We'll look into all of that in our upcoming videos. That's it for today. You have just installed and launched n8n locally on your computer. In the upcoming videos, we are going to create our first workflows, connect apps, and automate something cool. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and to not to miss any other updates. I will see you in the next video.